Okay guys, this is Unamas again signing in YouTube. Today I want to teach you another tutorial on Unamas tutorial why Republic is tied. Today is October 25. It's already 12:13 p.m. here in the Philippines. So let's do this fast and easy. And on the title of my tutorial is this: Unamas tutorial room booter, my favorite room freezer. Okay, 100% working. Actually, this is the only room. I have a lot of room booter, but this is the only one that I use because some of the room booters, actually, many of them are not working. Okay, they're not working. When you put them in the room, 5 seconds it go out. Sometimes the room booter goes runtime error. Sometimes some room booters does not work 100%, but this one's work. Okay. If you want to get the link of this room booter, just subscribe in my YouTube video and I'll give you the link. Leave the message there and give the particular tools that you want to have the link, and I will give you the link. Okay, as fast as I could. So let's start. First, I must open it. Okay, I will. Okay, my favorite room booter is what? FA MRB 2X. Okay, that's the only room booter that I use. It's a room freezer. Okay, FAMRB Freeze 2.0. So let's do this. Okay, first you must log into some ID, and I will log in an ID and password. Log in. Okay, password, then you log in. Then this one must have that check. Okay, freeze new users. Okay, it's a room freezer, so type the necessary room, which is Metro Manila Barcada 2. Then join in and type in the captcha. And there it goes. Now watch very carefully, okay guys? Serious. Watch the room, okay? The room has what? 48 users, okay, in the room. So I will click in place room ID. Oh wait, there's no list. Okay. Alright, let's join this again, okay? Let's join the ID again. Join again. See, it's already. YYPP. Again, let's put in. And there it goes, Now, this one must have checked. Press new user's ID. Now, press room. Let's press the room and watch the room very carefully, okay guys? I will large my Supra. Now watch the room. How many will left? Okay. Actually, they already left in. You see, left. Everyone who joins YM users who join the room will be left. Okay. Let's just wait. Okay. This is 45, 46 users left. See that? Left. See, left. They are YM users. Okay, now there are only 43 users left. 42. Okay, let's just wait. See guys, I love this room freezer because it works 100%. Okay, it does not miss, and it don't have a runtime error. Left. See that? Left. Okay. That's left. Okay. 40 users now. Okay. Now I'm just telling you that these things work. Okay. These things work 100%. Okay. I love this tool.